Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can generate the GST report on TranZact for your GST filing. So on TranZact itself, GST filing feature is not available, but you can generate the GST report from TranZact for sales and purchase. And accordingly, by downloading that report, you can use it for GST filing by making some changes in that. So let me show you how. You need to go in reports module first of all. On your left hand side panel, you will see reports module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in reports module, please check in the very bottom, you will find GST segment, or you can use the search box on your right hand side top in order to find that. So here is the GST sale report and GST purchase report. Select any one of the report. So you need to select the month after that. So for August, suppose I am going ahead and generating the report. So please check all the invoices and the entire GST report for the month of August will get generated here. You can very well go ahead and select the columns as per your requirement from here, from your left hand side top. You can also group the data from ungroup data option. So just click on group data and just select the groupable columns. Like you want it as an HSN SSE code, and accordingly it will get displayed, and you can very well go ahead and from your right hand side very top corner download this report and use it for GST filing. I hope same you can go ahead and do that for the purchase GST report as well. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while generating GST report and using it for GST filing. Have a good day ahead.